show you all how to resurface a rim so it will accept the tube without destroying the tube. Brand new tube in like 3 seconds. Now take your angle grinder and just start going to town with it. Once in a while, there's a small casualty. Okay, we're back on the jack stand. This is extremely important so you don't mess up your tube. Oh, wow, that's a little bit sharp. I didn't think this through at all. Wow. Okay. That was a lot of friction. Oh yeah. No. That didn't work. Okay, I got it to run as slow as I could possibly get it to go. Okay, so... No, don't do that, you stupid thing. And we're out of tape. So this is really not working. Alright, magazine reset. Let's hope for the best. Junk! Alright, so here comes the real fun. This is where I don't know what I'm doing. Making progress. Ugh, come on. I got you. Look at that. I got you. Oh. Huh, this is a radial tube. I didn't know there was such thing as a radial tube. Come on, please. Go in the hole, please, for the love of... I'm a really smart person. I got it. Yeah, there we go. Now we're on the home free stretch, or whatchamacallit. Might be a flaw with all the electrical tape I added. I didn't think of that. I did not think about that whatsoever. Ooh, that's not good. Man, that's not good. I don't know. All about hard work, right there. How about I just skip a step? Never had a problem skipping a step. Definitely never had a problem skipping a step. Especially when it comes to schoolwork. Gotta be careful about that tube. Okay. Alright, pause here for a second. I just realized the problem. A tire has steel belts along the bead. So when you're putting a tire on a rim, it looks like the tire is stretching. It ain't. Those steel bands ain't stretching. What you're seeing is the bead of the tire is going into the middle of the rim. That's what allows it to stretch. Well, look, it's on the bead. That's why I can't get it to go. Oh, it did. Still a little bit of a... Well, for one, my boots hung in there. Ooh. You see, I got long, skinny legs, and this concrete does not do well with my knees, and they're kind of hurting. I'm not going to lie. Oh my God! Look at that! No, I just could put air in it. All right. Okay, so here's the deal. I am going to just fight with this for a while and not record it because I'm back. Okay, and I didn't get it on all the way. Pretty good on this side, but the problem is it's the tape. I think this wheel actually wobbles anyway, so, you know, whatever. Whoever came up with the idea to use a bolt as a lug nut, you are out of your mind. Who are you? Do you work for BMW? Like, what is your problem? It's fixed. Works pretty good. Bye guys, and see you next time.